In the civil engineering industry, many business owners and project managers are all too familiar with the pressures surrounding workforce and costs. A newly trained engineer can quickly leave to join a competitor, rendering the investment in training a waste. Licensed software consistently ranks among the largest expenses, yet during slower periods, it often sits idle, causing significant resource inefficiency. Moreover, the seasonal rhythm of work, with peaks followed by downturns, makes workforce planning and cash flow management highly unpredictable. For this reason, the sustainable solution in civil engineering outsourcing lies not only in temporary cost reductions, but in restructuring collaboration, operations, and capacity expansion. The most significant changes today can be seen across 5 key trends. The first is the rise of intelligent automation. Tools such as Autodesk Civil 3D with its grading optimization feature, or Dynamo, allow repetitive and complex calculations to be processed at unprecedented speed, from earthwork balancing to intricate geometry creation. Tasks that once consumed many hours of manual effort can now be completed in minutes. This shift frees engineers to concentrate on strategic design rather than tedious operations. The result is not only faster delivery, but also a reduction in costly errors and rework. Alongside automation, digital connectivity is becoming the central nervous system of every project. Technologies like BIM, Digital Twin, Autodesk Construction Cloud, and InfraWorks are gradually becoming indispensable frameworks. When all team members work from a single version of data, discrepancies are identified and resolved early. The ability to simulate terrain and construction scenarios during the conceptual phase leads to more accurate decisions and fewer costly surprises on site. The third factor is access to a global pool of engineering talent. Instead of seeking only cost advantages, many companies now view international collaboration as a means of expanding technical expertise. Vietnam has emerged as a strong hub for civil engineering outsourcing, with AXA engineers standing out as a prime partner. This firm has contributed to large-scale projects using advanced tools such as Civil 3D, Dynamo, SSA, and Autodesk Construction Cloud to deliver services ranging from terrain modeling and drainage analysis to multi-phase construction scheduling. A notable example is the Mitchell Mill Development Project, where AXA engineers combined digital solutions to enhance coordination between stakeholders and ensure regulatory compliance, demonstrating how outsourcing can deliver clear competitive advantages. Parallel to this trend, outsourcing agreements are shifting from hourly billing toward outcome-oriented models. When partners commit to delivering complete packages, such as fully approved permitting sets, accountability becomes more closely aligned with results. However, this approach requires clearly defined scopes of work and detailed legal frameworks to safeguard the interests of both sides. When executed correctly, outsourcing evolves from a transactional service relationship into a strategic alliance where responsibility for success is shared. Equally critical are standardization and security. Adopting frameworks such as CAD standard ensures that outputs from multiple sources remain consistent. Using licensed software across all positions eliminates legal risks. Moreover, protective measures such as secure servers, tiered access rights, and written non-disclosure agreements safeguard intellectual property. AXA Engineers places strong emphasis on these principles, thereby building the trust that enables clients to confidently integrate external teams into their core operations. To translate these trends into actionable steps, companies can begin with an assessment of organizational readiness. Mapping workload, identifying skill gaps, and reviewing current software licenses will reveal true needs. Standardizing outputs within a common framework ensures that any group can comply consistently. Partner selection then becomes critical, with criteria extending beyond cost to include real project experience, licensed software, and client feedback. A short-term pilot project of 30 to 90 days can serve as a practical test, measured by concrete indicators such as the number of revisions, response time, and volume of RFIs. Once results prove stable, partnerships can scale with clear governance, including SLAs, KPIs, and security clauses. Looking at the broader picture, civil engineering outsourcing is not merely a method for reducing labor or software expenses. It is a way to redesign a stronger organizational model, where automation manages heavy workloads, digital platforms keep all teams synchronized, Global talent expands expertise, outcome-based collaboration increases accountability, and standardization combined with security fosters long-term trust. Within this framework, internal teams remain central, but are liberated from constraints to focus on strategy, innovation, and higher-level management. This is the path that enables companies not only to meet immediate project demands, but also to build a foundation for sustainable growth in the years to come.